Tom was sleeping on the couch, dreaming of cheese pies. Jerry sneaked into the kitchen with mischief in his eyes. Suddenly, crash! The window broke. What's going on? In came Spider-Man, jumping around like a clown. Tom yelled, "Who's this swinging in my house?" Jerry laughed, "Relax, it's Spidey, not a mouse." Spider-Man slipped and fell flat on the floor. Tom and Jerry laughed till their stomachs got sore. Spider-Man got up and said, "I need your help today. A bad guy is coming and they're on their way." Jerry grabbed a spoon, shouting, "I'm ready for a fight." Tom groaned and mumbled, "Why can't I have a quiet night?" The villain came in, it was Catwoman herself. Tom blushed and froze, she's the crush of his shelf. Spider-Man shot webs, Jerry threw cheese. They chased her out the door with the greatest ease. Spider-Man said thank you and flew out of sight. Tom sat on the floor, rubbing his head from the fight. Jerry said, "That was fun, let's do it again." Tom just sighed, "My life's full of pain." Tom yelled, "Who's this swinging in my house?" Jerry laughed, "Relax, it's Spidey, not a mouse." Spider-Man may be gone, but what a wild day. Tom, Jerry, and Spidey, friends in a silly way. Now the house is quiet, with no webs or fights. But Tom and Jerry know Spidey might return some night. They'll be ready